Alright. January 2018, question number 8. This is what it says. A sequence of figures is made from toothpicks of unit length. It means that the length of one toothpick is what? 1. So unit means what? 1. Of unit length, the first 3 figures in the sequence are shown below. So this is figure 1, figure 2, and figure 3. The lines that you're seeing here are toothpicks. The lines that you're seeing here are toothpicks of unit length. So these figures are in a sequence, and they are made up of what? Toothpicks of unit length. Alright, the first thing I asked you is to draw the 4th figure in the sequence. Anybody have any problem there, sir? Well, let's find out. The 4th figure, generally, when you join the 4th figure, you can start with the 3rd figure, and then just add to it. The 4th figure in the sequence. By my estimation, the 4th figure in the sequence looks something like this. By my estimation. What do you all think? So my 4th figure in the sequence will look something like this. If you want, make it a little brighter. If you want, this is my 4th figure in the sequence. This is my 4th figure in the sequence. Alright, first it started off, let's say, with 1 triangle, then it ended up with what? 2 triangles at the bottom. So it's 1 triangle, 2 triangle here, then what? 1, 2, 3 triangles. Then you have what? 1, so it's 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the 4th figure in the sequence. Would you have got that correct? Alright, so you already got some marks, and some marks is better than what? No mark. Then it says, study the pattern of numbers in each row of the table below. Each row relates to one of the figures in the sequence of figures above. Some rows are not included in the table. Please note, that's important. Some rows are not included in the table. So do not assume that because this is 4, this is 5. You understand? It could be that they have omitted some of the what? Rows. Some rows are not included in the table. Here's what it says. Complete the rows numbered I, III, and IV. So let's complete. Alright. Yeah, first of all, you have to notice the pattern of the thing. What do you notice here? It's going up by how much? It's going up by 4. So the next one should be what? 15. Now over here, you have what? 0, 1, 2. So here's I got what? 3 plus what? 4 plus what? 2. This is what? 9. Alright? We're good so far? Help me now? Do you notice? Are you looking? You notice that whatever number is here, it is the second number? What is here? The second number here says what? What is here? The second number. The second number is what? Here. The second number is what? Let me know. 2. So what is here? 20. So the number here must be what? 20. This is 20. Alright. Now our job is to find out what are here, so. Alright, can I show you something now? I'm ready. You see, if a sequence of numbers is going up by 4, the sequence, the general term can be written like this. Tn. Tn is the general term. Tn can be written like this. Let me use the blue ink. Tn, the general term, is equal to 4n plus d. Let's go. I need everybody to focus and try and understand what I'm saying. If the terms in a sequence are going up by 4, the general term can be written like this, where n can be any what? Number. Here, the first number is what?
3.
And the thing is going up by what?
4.
So T3 would be what? 4 times what? N is what?
3.
3 plus what? D, and that is equal to what?
12.
Help me now. Let's go again. You ready? If it is, the terms in a sequence are going up by 4, the general term is going to be in this format. Here, where does the 4 come in? It's going up by how much? 4. N here is any number in the term. So N could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N could be any what? Number. Understand? The first term is when N is what? 1. The first term is when N is 1. The first term is when N is 1. And the first term is what?
3.
The first term is what? 3. So that is going to help me to find D. Help me. 4 plus D is equal to what?
3.
So therefore, D would be equal to 3 minus 4. What is 3 minus 4?
-1.
This is minus 1. Tn is equal to 4n minus 1. Can I show you this work now? Please look. When n is what?
1.
Help me. 4 ones.
4.
Minus 1.
3.
Help me now.
3.
When n is 2, 4 twos.
8.
Minus 1.
7.
When n is 3, 4 threes.
12.
Minus 1.
11.
Good. When n is what? 4. 4 fours.
16.
Minus 1.
15.
When n is what?
20.
4 times 20.
80.
Minus 1.
79.
Did you get that? Can I share with you again? Can I share with you again? If the terms in a sequence are going up by 4, the general term is going to be in that format. The general term means that any term where n is any what? Number. When n is 1, the first term is what?
3.
So let's simply put n is 1 and work out and find out what is d. D is what?
1.
So this is what? 4n, and then d is what? So then can use this now to find any term that I want. Let's continue. Are you looking? Are you looking? I don't know what number is here, so but what I know, what is here? 127. So I need to find out what is n, don't it? Because what is n? This is 20. I don't know what this is. I need to find out what is n. But Tn is equal to what?
4n minus 1.
And that is equal to what?
127.
127. Negative 1 goes over and become what? 4n is equal to what? 128. Divide both sides by what? By?
4.
N is equal to 32. Did you get 32? That's 32. Are you all looking? If this is 32, the second number must be what?
32.
So the first number must be what? Lord, hear me to God, sanctuary. 31 plus what?
32.
Talk to me.
32.
plus what? So this is what? 63 plus 2, that is how much?
65.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready to learn? Fine. Look carefully, listen closely, and pay attention. That's a song of my church, and it's a children's song. Look carefully, listen closely, and pay attention in the upper realm. Alright, ready? Notice. Watch me. What number is here?
1.
What number here, so?
1.
Here.
2.
Here.
2.
Here.
3.
Here.
3.
Here.
4.
Here.
4.
Here.
32.
So the second one must be what?
32.
No, you notice that the number before is always one less than the second one?
Yes, sir.
So if this is 32, this must be what?
31.
And then you add what?
2.
Alright. Are you ready? This will already work out. Watch me. Shh. Listen. If this is what?
4.
Sorry, if this is what?
1.
This is going to be what? 4 times 1 minus 3, don't it? Help me now?
Yes, sir.
So it's 4 times what?
1.
1. 4 times what?
1.
Minus 1, and I get what?
3.
This is what? 4 times what?
2.
Minus 1.
7.
This is what? 4 times what?
3.
Minus?
11.
Good. This is 4 times what?
20.
Minus?
1.
This is 4 times what?
32.
Minus?
1.
This will be what?
4 times n minus 1.
Very good. 4 times n minus 1. Yes. Let's go further. Shh. Ladies and gentlemen, we need to go through this quickly now. We don't have the entire day. Look carefully, listen closely, and pay attention in the upper realm. Come now, people. We've gone to the upper realm. Alright, are you ready? Pay attention, everybody. Pay attention. You have to be observant. Second number is always the number out here, so don't it?
Yes, sir.
What number here, so?
8.
So the second number must be what?
8.
So the second number is what? 10. The last number is always what?
2.
Very good. The number before, the first number is always what? 1 less than what? Second number. What is 1 less than n? Talk to me. n minus 1. That's the answer.